Hello students, I am Himlata Bag and I welcome you all in my class. Today's subject is Environmental Studies and we usually call it SST book. Okay, today we will begin our first chapter and this lesson is about me. About me, yeah, exactly, it's not about me, it's exactly about you all. Okay, so let's start. In this book, in the page first, you are given two boxes. Look at here, two boxes. And here you have to paste two pictures of your own. Two pictures. One would be of the last years and another would be of the recent years. One would be of the last years and another would be of this recent years. Okay, and this will show you how do you look different from the last years because you have grown, right? You have already a grown-up child. That's why. Okay, so let's start. You know, we what to say, when we came in this earth, when we took birth, we all were babies, right? You were also babies and I was also a baby that time. Then gradually with the time we grew up day by day. Still you are growing up. And when we grow up, some most parts of our body get bigger in size because we are growing up, and there is something that remains the same. And what are they? The color of your eyes, the color of our eyes, they never changes. Okay, they never change. And the color of our hair, they also do never change. And other parts, each and every parts of our body get bigger in size with the time because we are growing up. And we all human beings are given some names, special names, when we reach a certain age after taking our birth. First to say, when we took birth, we were called babies, right? And gradually when we grew up, we were children, right? Still you are children. And when you will be at the age of 13, you will be called teenagers. And when you will be at the age of 18, you will be adults. So in this lesson, first we have to learn when do we become teenagers and when do we become adults. Okay, as I told you, most parts, what to say, each and every parts of our body, each and every part of our body gets bigger in size when we grow up, right? And the color of our eyes, the color of our hair, they never change. Is it not? You say, what to say, before 2 years, I think you were in class UKG. When you were in UKG, could you ever bind your hair? No. Could you ever pack your school bag on your own? I don't even think that you could ever tie your shoelace on your own because you were very little then. You couldn't do that, right? But with the time you are growing up, you have crossed UKG, class 1, now in class 2. I suppose you all are doing some things on your own. Very little but useful things. And there may be some tasks that are very easier to you and there may be some tasks that are a bit difficult to you. But I hope you all are doing very nicely, right? And what to say next? As I taught you in our previous class when you were in class 1, we all are special in our own ways, right? How are we special? I'm telling you, I may be long and you may be short. My eyes are little smaller than you. It may be. I may like ice cream and you may like chocolates. Then I may like playing football and you may like playing cricket. I may talk a few words and you may talk a big. So we all are different. You yourself have supposed to it, right? Because you all are different to one another. Your friends, your relatives, your cousins, your siblings, everyone is different to one another. No one is same. So we all are special and we all are unique persons. This is our lesson, and I will discuss with you one more thing. What to say? When we become older, and as you are growing old, I don't think your last year's t-shirt or your last year's dress suits you best. Can you fit them? Can you fit yourself into the clothes? No, because you have grown up. But if you are thinking that your clothes, your dresses are getting smaller in size, then you are wrong. Dresses, clothes, they are non-living things. They cannot grow up. So they will never change their shapes. But you are a living thing, like another animals also. You are growing up and you are changing your shape, not your dresses. So your old t-shirt, your old frock or any other dresses, those who are not suiting you, you cannot fit yourself into those clothes. It's a totally a problem of your own, because you have grown up. Your dresses may never change, right? Your dresses may never change with the time. They remain the same, but you change. Your body change. You change and your body changes with the time, right? So never think that your dresses have changed and they have become a bit tighter. No, you have grown up and your body has changed. Okay, so this was our lesson, and in this lesson there is very little to learn. You have to learn when do we become adults and when do we become teenagers. Okay, and then if you think this task easy or difficult, you may write on your own. Okay, it totally depends upon you. It totally depends upon you. How will you write? And I think there will be no problem in solving this yes no, fill in the blanks. Okay, if you can do, you may start at your home. Okay, they are very easy, and here you have to use your brain also. They are very easier also. I don't think there will be any difficulty. Okay, so this lesson all about me is over here. Okay, thank you.